Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of audio with a close look at the wireless foldable headphones. Let's see if these headphones live up to the hype. These headphones boast high value and craftsmanship, featuring a striking rose gold color accent that adds a touch of elegance. The streamlined design and foldable structure make them not only stylish but also highly portable. But what about performance? Well, these headphones pack a punch with their powerful subwoofer capabilities. Equipped with a 40mm large active coil driver and a peak diaphragm, they deliver deep bass and a wide sound field, promising a truly immersive audio experience. Comfort is key when it comes to headphones, and these don't disappoint. The soft ear cotton provides a comfortable fit, even during extended listening sessions. Plus, the metal arm and stainless steel construction ensure durability, so you can enjoy your music for years to come. With Bluetooth 5.0 technology, these headphones offer a stable connection and low power consumption. And with a built-in large-capacity lithium battery, you can enjoy up to 8 hours of listening on a single charge. So, what's the verdict? The wireless foldable headphones impress with their high craftsmanship, powerful sound, and long-lasting battery life. Whether you're commuting, working out, or simply relaxing at home, these headphones are sure to enhance your audio experience. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest products. Until next time, happy listening.